Alright guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today we will be putting a master key for your TST R9 e-bike. As everybody know, there's no master key because once you turn this battery power switch, you can turn on the e-bike anytime, right? And this is the dual battery. It has one underneath the seat and one in the frame. Alright, so this is what I got from Amazon. So like an ignition key. It has a key and it has a red and black wire, and also this extension piping e-bike harness. You can get it on Amazon. I will put the links for this piping extension wire for your e-bike, and as well as this master key, and I will put it over here. And just look for the wires or the 5-pin connector for this one that goes to your main switch. So this is the wire that goes to the switch, and it has the 5-pin like the one I got it from Amazon, or maybe you can find it anywhere. And the one I got is kind of long. It's like 3 feet. So this is what you're gonna do first. Make sure it works. So you're gonna be careful with all the pins, not to bend it. Alright, this is just to make sure it works, the cable works. Alright. Turn the power on. Okay, so it works. Let's see the assist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure the throttle works. Okay, so throttle works, signal light works, left, right, lights. Okay, the light works. And turn it off again. So next thing to do is to remove the handle grip, as well as this. You're right, well, depends on where you want to put your master key. So I'm gonna cut the zip tie. There you go. Okay. This one. Okay, let's tie them back again. Alright, so since this wire is so long and only the blue and red, so what we're gonna do is to cut somewhere here. Okay, so let's splice. Okay, so when you cut the red one, That was the light, the headlight. See, it won't turn on. Okay, so I made a mistake. I cut the red. The red is the headlight, and the yellow is the turn right. And I just found out when you cut the green, as you can see, hold on, let me connect them back again. Alright, so when you connect the green, it gives power to the computer. So you have to turn off this switch, and once it's off, you can turn off the key. Alright, so I finally decided to shorten the wires and cut in the middle and solder them together and leave the green exposed so I can connect it to the master key. Alright, so I shortened the wires, cut them in the middle, and solder them, and all we need is just the green. This is the one that gives power to the computer. I'm gonna tape it and make sure it's sealed. Right. Okay, so I just connect the wires from the master key or the ignition key with the green one, and turn the power on. Okay. Alright, so that's on. That's the problem here. When you turn it off, there's still power in there, even though the wire was disconnected. So what you're gonna do is turn this switch first before removing the key. That way, if you turn off the key and turn this power on, it won't give you power. But when you turn the ignition key on and turn this on, the switch, it'll give you power to the computer. Alright, so we're gonna put electrical tape to secure it. Okay, again, turn the key. Without the key, you cannot turn on the bike, but with the key, turn the power on, everything works. It's the headlight. Turn signal to the right, turn signal to the left, and walk mode, assist, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as well. And that's the maximum speed that I got after the hacking. Alright, so again, turn the key off, still power. All you're gonna do is turn this switch off first and remove the key, and just fix all the wires. Put a tape, whatever you want to do. That's all. Alright guys, this is the final outcome of my modification, putting a master key for this TST R9. Alright, so you can see you have the master key, and powering it off, you need to press this button first to turn it off before removing your key. But without the key, you cannot power on the bike, because the power that gives to the computer is temporarily cut off with the master key. but when you turn it on and push the power on button, then it will give you the power.